Good chilly morning to y'all. Not in Raymer Wood Yard. We're at my buddy Brent's place today. Lots of firewood to buck. Look at all that. I'm gonna have a field day today. I can only fill up about maybe a half of a full cord in the back of my trailer, so I'm gonna do that. Put as much as I can in there so I can travel safely. Got my saw back from the shop. Just a clutch spring, which I thought it was. I tried to do it myself, but I was gonna tear up everything, I think, just to get the clutch off. Anyway, so it cost me about 60 bucks to repair. Wasn't bad. But I got it back. Just sometimes I forget to bring my scrinch with me. That chain is way too loose. Way too loose. Don't get me wrong, I do love this Husqvarna 395 XP, but I do hate tightening the chain because it's on the inside. All you fiery guys, you know this. It's on the inside of the bar right here. The Stihl, which is on the outside, and I think the new Huskies are on the outside. But the Stihl, the one that's on the outside, is just so much easier. So much easier. One day I can afford a new saw, Husqvarna, maybe even a 500i, something like that. But I can tighten the chain tensioner on the outside, which is really nice. This is just a pain in the butt to do it this way. For me. It's just way too loose. Way too loose. Let's see if that's any better. Had a little accident this morning, as you can tell. Maybe you can't. Got a little aggressive with the bar oil. A little aggressive. When it's cold, it's 30 degrees right now. When it's cold out, it just comes out almost like, you know, cold syrup. So not very liquidy, kind of more like mucusy. Let's see how this is. It's a little tight. That's a little too tight. A little too tight. All right, here we go. Hopefully we're ready. Got a wedge with me, just in case I get pinched a little bit on one of these, because these logs are sitting on crushed asphalt. And I've already hit this crushed asphalt a couple of times, and it just kind of ruins everything for me. I want to get in and get out of here as quickly as I can, which y'all know. Quickly is a relative term when talking about me. Everything's pretty slow. So, anyway. Guys, my rakers are just way too high. It is not grabbing at all. So I'm gonna touch up on the rakers a little bit, which hopefully won't take long, and I'll get back at it. Obviously, it's not cutting how I like it. So now that I know the rakers are okay, I'm gonna have to sharpen my chain just a little bit, maybe a few strokes here and there. Just gonna touch up my blade just a little bit here. It's still just kind of like batting at the wood. So obviously it doesn't have a sharp edge on it. We can fix that, no problem. I can't even see me in there. Wearing this. The chips aren't terrible, but I can't even see that, can you? That glare is terrible. And they're kind of small chips, but also my teeth are not super long either, so it's going to be. But there's a little bit more sawdust in here than I want. I want some little bit longer chips here. That'd be nice. That would be nice. And I have to. So the reason why I'm cutting this way is because my buddy Brent wants me to throw everything back into the wood pile, not out here into their parking area. That's why I'm doing it like that. Whatever Brent wants, Brent gets. He gives me the wood, so. Good. Ooh. Oh, I put so much pressure down on my chest on the saw so it didn't go anywhere. All right, I'm gonna put this back and we will hopefully start up again. Hopefully. All right, let's see if this cuts any better. All right, here we go. Hopefully.